On a recent trip to Thailand in May 2022, Son and I stayed at the Aiyaree Place Hotel in Pattaya. This hotel is about 500 meters from the beach. It's rated a 5-star accommodation, and we took the breakfast and dinner option. As you can see, all the rooms are spacious, and the entrance has a small functional kitchen with a full-size refrigerator. Comes with a kettle and a sink and a fully functional hob as well. So yeah, you can clean up or you can cook or whatever you want to do. Then there's also a divider between the bedroom and the TV area, and in the TV area there's also a small workspace where you can use a laptop. The bathroom / toilet is neat and clean with all that you need. A shower is fitted over the corner bath, and the room is serviced daily. As you can see, clean. Comes with your toothbrush and your hand soaps. But there's a 7-Eleven very close by. So the bedroom is fitted with its own router. Wi-Fi is very good. As you can see there, the router next to the bed. It is fitted with a queen size bed as well as a single bed. So yeah, the room is quite big. You don't get into anybody's way there. There's also a balcony, patio area with chairs and an ashtray for the smokers, and it overlooks the pool as well. So very nice room. I would highly recommend it. I had no problem. I really enjoyed being in this room. Sometimes you just want to get out because the room is a bit too small, but it's a very nice room. There's a balcony, patio, and also around the pool area, as you can see, they've got some beautiful furniture. That is a hand carved swing. So yeah, then we bought lunch from a vendor with some chicken and fruit and also some mango smoothies. Awesome. So no to the cane sugar, and you set. Right? Son and I really enjoyed our stay at this hotel, and we will stay here on our future visits as well. So yeah, you'll see the outside. There's the pool view. That's a stoop on our way to the room, the work area. As you can see, that's the restaurant there, Aiyaree Place. And all in all, beautiful grounds, beautiful pool, very nice, very quiet, with a 7-Eleven just around the corner, about 15 meters from where the hotel is. Everything within reach, with a bar right next door and a craft brewery right opposite it. That's all, folks. Enjoy.